This tutorial shows how to design an icon label stack using Photoshop custom shapes, perfect for feature lists and service highlights. Open Photoshop and create a vertical canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw several rounded rectangle shapes stacked evenly. On the left side of each rectangle, place a circle custom shape for icons. Adjust the spacing so everything feels consistent. Use the Type tool to add short labels next to each icon, keeping font size uniform. Highlight the most important label by changing its background color slightly. Duplicate the entire stack, move it behind, and add a soft shadow to separate layers. Zoom out. The stack now looks organized, readable, and visually